اول كويستشن عندي بيقول لي الكيميكال رياكشن، وممكن ايه اللي يحصل في الكيميكال رياكشنز دي. وكان عندي هنا الفيزيكال. اول حاجه chemical reaction it mean it was the process which قال لي the atoms it was arrangement we regarded to form different substance. So it was that amount which are regarded to showing a different substance. Like what? Like firstly, we have that amount. Firstly, it changed in color. This physical or chemical reaction, it was physical. It was changed in color inside the amount. So we can see and regarded that physical, it changed. It was by seeing that amount. It was physical reaction. That the first one. The second one, it was that going out. It was gases going out, or that substance it was changed to solid, it changed in color, it changed in odor, gas, bubble, air, odor, gas, bubble, all of this. And it was also solid, it was also solid into that in the indication of the reaction. So again يبقى انا عندي لو طلع لي ماده صلبه، او طلع لي غازات، او طلع لي رائحه، او طلع لي كمان فقاعات، كل دي ممكن تبقى دليل فيزيائي او physical changed about مين about the chemical reaction. يعني اللي انا عرفت ان في تفاعل كيميائي بخروج احد المواد الاتيه، لا اما غاز، لا اما ماده صلبه، لا اما ماده سائله، او مثلا كان عندي هنا تغيير لون، تغيير رائحه. طيب ده كان الفيرست كويستشن. كان معايا هنا السكند كويستشن. writing مين قال لي write، قال لي sketch on equation forward equation and vice versa. What does that mean? That mean we having here that equation. Equation it was typed by. Focus with me. أول حاجة يا دكتور بنكتب A L plus P R square. It was A L B R 2
سكوير.
A 3 B R 3.
اوكي.
طيب أنا عندي كده، ده كده equation. طيب أنا عايز الايكويشن ده هي writing. بمعنى we said aluminium plus chrome, it was getting bromide or aluminium bromide. Aluminium bromide. So the aluminium bromide, it was coming from aluminium plus bromide. So it will form aluminium bromide. So that it was a chemical reaction. It was coming from what? That word equation, because he said, what is the word equation? It was here, aluminium plus bromide, it was aluminium bromide. So what is this? It was that an amount of aluminium plus bromide, it was getting out aluminium bromide. So again, it was here that the reaction between aluminium with bromide, it was equal aluminium bromide. Nextly, we can said sketching that aluminium plus bromide Al plus Br2, it was equal Al Br3. This is the equation. It was different that here it was word equation, here it was that sketch or skeleton equation. There are different between both of them. How we can sketching that the amount? We typing firstly what is the amount here. This called skeleton amount equation Al bromide and here it was aluminum bromide. Nextly, we can say we have an equation here. Firstly, he hydrogen bromide gases reacted hydrogen bromide. Let's type the equation. Firstly, it was hydrogen H2 plus bromide Br2. It will get or formed HBr. Here the word 2. So it was H2 plus Br2. It was getting out 2HBr. Nextly, we typing right color monoxide, oxygen react. It was carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. It was here the carbon
Dioxide.
CO. Here mono. It was CO. If it was di, it was CO2. Here it was plus O2. It will forming. هتطلع لي مين؟ carbon dioxide CO2. CO2. So carbon CO plus O2. It will forming CO2 as a carbon dioxide. So here we have a different amount. It was carbon dioxide, or it was forming from that carbon plus monoxide plus oxygen. The third one, it was that a challenge. Write the word equation and the skeleton equation for following reactor. When it was heated solid potassium chlorate, it was a yield that solid potassium chloride and oxygen as a gas. So potassium chloride coming from that chlorate, let's type the equation. KClO3. This potassium chlorate, this potassium chlorate, it was getting or forming by heat. What is the amount here? Which here typing from that skeleton? Here it was plus KCl plus oxygen O2. So this the amount here, which are typing, we should numbering the amount. So it was 2 KClO3 and it will forming KCl plus 3O2. Nextly, we have also the number 3. He asked us to describe what happens to the ions and double replacement reaction. Double replacement reaction, it was that the reaction which are exchanged between two substances, not one. It was 146, 64, 64, 60. Yes, here. Replacement. We have two type of replacement. Focus. We have double replacement. It was single replacement. It was typing single replacement. So the first amount, it was single replacement. The single replacement, it was one it changed with another one. So here, that one, it was lithium, plus the other one, it was water. Here, lithium getting the hydrogen here. So it will become lithium hydroxide and kicking out hydrogen. That one, which are still. So again, it was that single replacement. Nextly, we have the metal replace. It was a hydrogen or another metal. So we have here lithium, rubidium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, manganese, and zinc, iron. It was what is this? That was the metal replacement. It was the higher active and less active. Which one? It was higher. The first one, it was the lithium. The lower one here, it was here is a fluoride. Most active, most active of halogen. It was halogen, fluorine, and chlorine, bromine, iodine. So we have also two types now. We have halogens. So nextly we have no non-metal replace. So it was a non-metal. It was the third type of that single one. Was that amount here of that non-metal replace non-metal. So we can know that the bromine, let's see. Here the iron it was with the copper. If we typing copper plus iron, it was the iron here most reactive than copper. So the iron can take place of the copper. Let's see. So the reaction it will be Cu, it was kicking out, plus FeSO4. What happened? We single replacement. We have a single replacement. It was a change between that the iron and that sulfur. Here's the next one. It was also like that. The bromide with chloride, it was taking place. No, it was not reaction. No reaction. The thing that manganese and magnesium plus aluminium. So it was taking place MgCl2 plus Al. So he taking the place from it type.